Here we have 2017 Lexus NX200T, and in order to activate the parking brake for it, all you have to do is just come towards your right side. You will see that parking button right there. Just lift that button upwards. You will hear a background sound, and after that background sound, you will see that parking sign being activated right there. Now suppose you want to turn off the parking sign. We'll come back to this parking button right there. This time we press it downwards. Again, you will hear a background sound, and now you will see that parking sign is disengaged. Now suppose the vehicle is turned off and you still want to activate the parking brake. We again come to that parking button, lift that button upside. You will hear the background sound one more time, and also right there you will see the parking sign activated. Now if you want to deactivate the parking sign while the car is turned off, the bad news is you cannot do that. You would have to turn on the vehicle in order to release the parking brake option. Like in this case, if I come back to that switch and then press it down, you will see it's not working out, and it's going to tell you that you have to press brake and then start the engine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.